Friends, what are you doing? Why are you sitting like this? You don't want to practice your English. You don't want to improve your English. You don't want to speak fluent English. If you want, then go practice with someone. Practice your English. Only then you can achieve. Friends, I Yashoda welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam. And friends, in today's video I am going to talk about why we don't want to speak with someone, why we don't want to face public, because we have lose our confidence. Yes friends, you are just thinking about your last experience. What experience you had in your last conversation with someone? You made some mistakes, and with whom you were talking, maybe he laughed at you and he pointed out your mistakes, and that's why you are losing your confidence. And you know, that moment passed. Okay, that moment passed away. It will not come. You know, in our life, mostly learners, mostly people, okay, are just thinking like this. You know, only because of that situation, we don't want to go ahead in our life. We are just thinking about that moment, about that incident. And only because of this, we are losing our hope. We are losing our confidence. We are not feeling confident to speak with someone, to speak in public. Friends, suppose that there is a person who is reciting you a joke and he tries to make you laugh. Okay? And you will definitely laugh. But you know what is he doing? He's reciting the same joke again and again. Okay? And he wants to make you happy with the same joke. Then tell me, will you laugh again and again only with the same joke? No, you will not. Then tell me, if you will not laugh again and again by listening a same joke, then why are you making yourself less confident? Why are you feeling hesitant by thinking about that past incident? And the moment passed. Now there is another person. Now there is another audience. Now there is another one. You will have to have a conversation with him. And if you really want to improve yourself, then you need it. You need to practice. And if you have a fear only because of that moment, and only because of that moment you're not willing to have a conversation with someone, you're not willing to do your practice, you're not willing to go ahead in your life, then you're just losing your hope. You want to be good, you want to be fluent, but if you're just thinking about all these, then I think you can't do anything in your life. Actually, if I talk about in our life, the same thing happened. The bad incidents, we're just thinking about that moments, about past moments, about past incidents in our life. And only because of thinking about that moments, we make ourselves unhappy. We make ourselves so angry, because you are making yourself angry by thinking about that moment, that bad incident. So the purpose of making this video is only, don't think about past incident, go ahead in your life, and life is so much beautiful. If you want to achieve something, then you need to practice again and again. You have to communicate with everyone. There are so many opportunities, and all the opportunities are waiting for you. You just need to take one step, and by taking your first step, you can do. You need to take your steps towards your goal. Only then you can do. Stop thinking about past incidents in your life and just go ahead. Go ahead and follow your dreams. You need to be persistent. Okay, and eventually you will get whatever you want. I'm telling you. Despite of thinking about all the things, okay, all the negative things that happened with you in your past time, think about good things. You can think what will going to be happen in future. You will, and you can make your life happy. Think about it. Don't think about bad things. Think about good things. What kind of things are going to happen with you? And friends, that's it what I want to say. And be happy. First, learning English is the second thing. First, you need to make yourself happy. If you are able to make yourself happy, then you can do everything. Okay? So, first you need to be happy. Be happy. If you are happy, then everything is going to be happy. Everything is going to be good. Okay? And we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Keep yourself happy. Yes, friends. Keep yourself happy. Bye-bye.